Hello, today we're going to talk about this touch-up paint kit which is custom mixed to the year, brand and colour of your vehicle. It's got everything included in here to give you pro results with little experience. Now on the back it says it's good for DIY, it's all in one, scratch repairs, special pigment, OEM, colour match, chip repair and it's anti-corrosive. Now inside the box we have the paint itself, there's the red paint there. We have a colour and clear solution. And also, two free gifts. We've got a wax and a paste. Also included in the box is a quick start instruction manual which shows you how to apply the touch-up paint. And underneath the foam we also have components kit which includes a cleaning cloth, a microfiber cloth, some protective gloves, a sponge and some touch-up brushes. So this is an all-in-one solution from Colour and Drive and everything is included in the box that you need to touch up your vehicle.